Hey, in this video, we'll talk about Binance deposit limit. Is there a limit on your deposits like you have on PayPal, other um, payment processors, payment platforms, trading platforms for fraud prevention and something like this? This is what we'll discuss in the video. But before we start, just make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. Each like helps out the channel a lot. And I'm actually uploading over 20 of these videos every single day for your value. So subscribing will you know a lot of stuff if you do that. So if you're new to Binance, you can sign up for Binance with the link in the description down below. But Binance basically has the lowest trading fees. This is the platform I use for trading. I have multiple accounts here, depending on the strategy I use. But there is no deposit limit. There's actually no minimum deposit as well. But the minimum you can trade with is $10. So if you want to trade something, you have to spend at least $10 on a particular spot or futures, or I think on futures you can trade less than with $10 because you have leverage. Yeah, you can, but the minimum is $10 and there's no maximum, but the maximum you can withdraw is to bitcoins, which currently is quite about, it's over 100 grand currently at Bitcoin at 50K. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in one of the next videos.